What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna review and give my feedback and opinion with Muffler and Resonator Delete, and also I'm gonna answer a couple questions that I get a lot. So when I did the first time I did my Muffler and Resonator Delete, I did not get any check engine light or whatsoever. The car was completely fine. I didn't add any downpipe or front pipe as well, so it's pretty much completely stock aside from being, straight pipe. And my initial thought about it is I loved it. I love the aggressive sound, I love the loud sound, and I got it like during summer, I think a year or two ago. I believe it was like 2 years ago. Anyways, I loved it, especially when you shift between first, second, and third gears. Like, you hear the pop, especially when you tap on the gas. And the only thing I didn't like about it is it made the cabin louder. At first I was fine, but then along the way it was kind of getting annoying. And then at the same time, it's just what do you call it? It's like this. It brings vibration inside the cabin. Since the resonator is out, and then that resonator from the undercarriage is literally, if inside your cabin, it's between your armrest. Like, it's literally underneath your armrest. So pretty much all the noise goes into the cabin, which is normal, since all I did is like straight pipe the whole thing, took the resonator muffler out. So that's the downside about it. And then as for gas consumption, I didn't really see any difference about it. And then ever since I got my Muffler and Resonator Delete, I've been driving with the sports mode, and I've been using the paddle shifter ever since. However, if I don't see like the necessity of doing it, I just usually drive it on eco mode. However, in eco mode, I don't like the sound. That's the only thing I don't like about it when I drive it on eco mode. But then I only use it when I am around local streets. But then it, like, maybe outside it's fine, like, but then inside by the cabin it sounds like the car is dying, in my opinion. So if you have a Muffler and Resonator Delete, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And then for those people who wants to get it, I would suggest just delete the muffler, do not touch the resonator. Or you could swap it out with MagnaFlow, or there's another resonator that's a little smaller compared to the stock one, and then it'll give you that aggressive yet deep tone. So after that, like, for me, like, ever since like I was fine driving muffler without the muffler and the resonator, I was fine. But then over time it gets old, if you know what I'm talking about. And then if you have a Muffler and Resonator Delete, I am not talking crap on you, because I have exactly what you have. But that's just my honest opinion. Like, after having the car for like what, almost 3 years, and then having the muffler and the resonator deleted, that's just my initial thought, or that's my thought now. So maybe along the way I'm gonna change, either just keep the muffler out and then swap it out with a resonator, or we're gonna get a full bolts on exhaust. So, well, you gotta stay tuned on that one. We'll kind of I'm in between a Borla or a DC Sports or MagnaFlow, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen. And then I'm gonna show you a couple clips. I tried my best to show the difference, to let you hear the difference between the eco mode, the regular mode, and the paddle shifters. And then, so with that, it's up to you whether you want to do it. And please, I tried my best on this one, and I hope you like it. we're about to hop on the highway, so I'm gonna show you what the drone seems like. I mean, sound like. Right now in first gear, second gear now. And nope. I'm recording this like late at night, like almost midnight, but then there's still traffic. Like I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what's wrong. There's no construction. So second gear, stepping on the gas. Third gear. Fourth gear. You see, like you hear that it's a little expensive, aggressive. Sorry about the radar. Driving with one hand. So right now we're in fourth gear. Slowing down a little bit, turning a corner, and of course, tap on the gas a little bit. I don't know if you could hear the little burble, the baby burble, and then at the same time, I'm sorry, it's dark. All right, so fourth gear, downshift, stepping on it again. Fourth gear. Fifth gear. Let's turn this off. Sixth gear. Around sixth gear, that's where the car starts to sound like, you know, calm, more like in a calm way. But then at the same time, if you're like, you can hear the drone right now. Like, let me just stop talking and oh god. So this is sixth gear. I'm doing 65 right now. I'm stepping on the gas a little bit. Traffic. Stepping on the gas. Seventh gear. Pothole. My god. I don't know if you could hear that much from my cabin, but it's kind of loud. And I don't even know if the phone's catching how loud it is. Downshift again. Downshift. Stepping on it. Alright. And you tap on the gas a little bit. You get that little burble sound, that little baby burble sound. All right, so we're off the highway, so I'm going to show you how it sounds on streets. First gear, second gear, third gear, and also don't get me wrong, it's fun, and it makes, like, it pumps up your adrenaline here and there, especially with the sound, and you're just like thinking. Like, other people assume that your car is manual, the way, if you know how to use the paddle shifter. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's the difference with the paddle shifters, eco mode, and the regular mode. I tried to capture as much clip as I can and put it together and compile it into this video, so you could decide whether you want to go with the full resonator and muffler delete or just the muffler delete itself. But then my suggestion, if you don't want the drone, I mean obviously we'll still get the drone, but if you want to avoid it even just a little bit, so you don't have to deal with the annoying cabin or like a loud cabin. I'm not gonna lie, even my girlfriend hates the car, especially when like on a long drive. And over time when you're driving, especially when you reach between 6th and 7th gear, and then you're in a steady speed, the drone comes in and it gets annoying. And then also, we are 1,000 now. Thank you so much, guys, for all your support, and thank you for sticking with me. And I try my best to produce educational and informative videos, and anything you guys like ask me to do, anything, I would try my best to accommodate all your requests. And I just want to say thank you, and I appreciate you for sticking by me. And now we're at 1,000, and I can't believe we're at 1,000 now. I thought I wasn't gonna get 1,000 until like next month, which is April or May. And then it's just very overwhelming, and I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And I have no idea, I don't know what to say, but thank you. I really appreciate you guys. So make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video, and let's aim for 1,500 subscribers this time. And once again, thank you. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment by the section below. Any questions or any suggestion or anything that you guys want me to upload in this channel, and I would be glad and I will be honored to do this video and share the information. Any questions you guys need, I would try to solve it. I mean, I would try to upload it, make a content out of it, and answer all your questions as much as I can. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.